Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Confirm you have admin privileges and a quick backup of your current DNS configuration, because you will restore if needed. Next, install or update the DNS Ff client so you run the latest fixes. This avoids compatibility problems. Once installed, identify the network interface you will modify and pick the DNS servers you want to use. These choices control resolution speed and filtering behavior, so choose intentionally. Now you edit the DNS Ff configuration to define upstream DNS servers, cache size, and any blocking or forwarding rules. This is where you tune performance and privacy. After saving, apply the config using the command line tool and immediately test name resolution with enslookup or dig pointed at localhost to verify answers. If results look correct, enable automatic startup and adjust service permissions so DNS Ff runs persistently without finish by flushing both the DNS Ff cache and your operating system DNS cache so the new settings take effect immediately. Then validate that common host names resolve and latency meets expectations. Make sure to monitor the DNS Ff logs for errors and watch query rates to prevent overload. If something goes wrong, first check for port conflicts or syntax errors in the configuration and revert to your backup if necessary. This quick rollback gets you back to a working state while you debug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.